I can develop any type of software for your business. Please follow and subscribe. What is Procureflow? Procureflow is a software system or workflow that helps businesses manage their procurement process efficiently. It covers everything from requesting goods or services to approval, purchasing, supplier management, and payment tracking. Procureflow helps organizations reduce manual work and paperwork, improve approval speed, track purchases in real time, control costs and budgets, maintain transparency and compliance. This type of software is commonly used in companies, factories, hospitals, schools, and enterprises to automate and simplify procurement operations. Key features of Procureflow: purchase request management, approval workflow automation, supplier and vendor management, purchase order, PO, creation, budget and cost control, invoice matching and tracking, reports and analytics, role-based access control. Benefits of Procureflow: faster procurement process, reduced human errors, better cost management, improved supplier relationships, centralized procurement data, increased productivity.
Just go to YouTube, type Coding Master VBA. Subscribe to my channel.
If you want, I can also write a full YouTube script, create a demo explanation, help with software architecture, suggest tech stack for Procureflow. Thank you for watching my video.